I'm Claire Tomkinson. I'm a mom of two, and I'm the founder of Clarify Sex Education. And the reason why I'm here is because I believe that time is the greatest expression of love. And when you invest time into someone or something, you're creating a genuine connection, and you're telling that person or that thing that it's important and it matters to you. And when you create that kind of connection, you're actually able to influence that person more than you ever could if you didn't invest time into that relationship. And as a parent, there is nothing on earth more important than investing time in your child. You are the most influential person in your child's life, and you're going to influence them whether you mean to or not. And what I am trying to create with Clarify is a platform for you to understand and develop practices that enhance the time you spend with your child. Because ultimately that means it can enhance how you influence them, how you empower them, how you imbue them with knowledge that can transform their lives and help them avoid harm and live into a sense of deep well-being as they go into an adulthood. Adolescence is the most complicated and critical time in a child's development, and it is the time when they ask for us least, but they need us the most. And as parents, I want to bring awareness to the situation. I want to empower you to have everything you need to truly invest time in your child during these very critical years of their development, because these are the years that can set them up for success in relationships, for very high, confident self-esteem and body awareness, for good boundaries, for understanding your values as a family and as a person. This is such a critical time, and you can have so much influence over it. So welcome to Clarify. You are worth it. I'm investing my time and my love into this work, into you as a parent, and into your child, because I've seen over the last 15 years of teaching live workshops with parents and kids how important this is. This is not just sex education. This is foundational human development that kids need to be prepared for. But it also sets the stage for you to have amazing conversations with your child all of these years that last into adulthood, making you just at the forefront when they are seeking truth and information and answers. This is what Clarify is about. Your time is your love. Your love is an expression of connection with your child, and in that connection, you have so much influence. So I'm so happy you're here. I'm so happy you're thinking about what kind of influence you want to have over your child, how to have meaningful messages about their bodies and about respect and about relationship, and just how to walk alongside them as they grow into adults. That's what I offer with Clarify, is just deep, clear connection and communication and foundational sex education that just opens the door for so many years of good communication and just support and guidance for your child. Thank you for taking the time to be here. Thank you for exploring. And I just welcome you to just dive into any of this material I have to offer, because I want you to have it. I want to see transformation. And I want every child to know how deeply loved they are by their parent and their caregivers. It is so important. And I know that there's no one more important than in your entire life, no one's future you care more about than this child that you're here researching sex education curriculum for. This really matters, and I'm so happy that you are investing in it. Thank you.